Okay, this is a follow-on from the c2c. This is my kart setup, and the mess is what I had to strip down to find out what was going with the ECU. So basically what I had was the channel 1 and channel 2 are RPM 1 and RPM 2. Channel 1, which does the hall sensor for the crank, was going half light. So now we're back to normal. It ended up being the forward voltage driver, the 7002 transistor, which is that one there, which is this. It had actually gone half short, so it was allowing feedback through. I've also replaced the 2560 chip. Also replaced the small capacitor, low pass filter, and now we are running as I was hoping. So on Tuner Studio, I'll enable the test for the coil. I don't know if you can actually see that, might be able to see it. But now, you see the LED, possibly, it's actually working. Not shutting down. Now I've got to put all this lot together. And then test the hardware test again. Once more. And also, I can't put this on a lot because this is running dry, so I don't want to do the injector. And that's the injector. So it's just a matter of putting it all back together and seeing if I've got anywhere with it. If not, as I said, I'm going to build a NO2C, just because it's a lot easier to work with. Yeah, it's my soldering station. Cheers.